Creating an account with H&R Block. Are you ready to start managing your taxes efficiently with H&R Block? Creating an account with H&R Block is the first step towards accessing a range of tax filing and financial management tools. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating an account with H&R Block, enabling you to control your tax affairs, maximize your tax benefits, etc. So let's begin. Open your web browser and search for Create H&R Block Account. Tap on the first link in the search results. Then, once on the login page, you'll look for the option to create a new account. This is typically labeled as Create Account or Sign Up. Click on the Create Account button to initiate the account creation process. You'll be directed to a registration form where you'll need to provide some basic information to set your account. This may include your names, emails, and security password. Enter the required information accurately into the designated fields. After entering your information, review the terms of service and privacy policy. Optionally, you may choose to subscribe to a newsletter or promotional offers from H&R Block by checking the appropriate box. Once you have completed the successful registration, then you can proceed by logging into your account and seeing what's there. And this is everything you needed to know about creating an account with H&R Block. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.